Siberia, history, geography, and climate. Siberia is divided into 4 major regions: the West Siberian Plain, Central Siberia, Northeastern Siberia, and the Baikal area. Siberia is known for its harsh winters. Its major vegetation zones are tundra, swampy forest, and steppe, extending across the area. Siberia's mineral resources include coal, petroleum, natural gas, diamonds, iron ore, and gold. Agriculture is confined to the more southerly areas. Humans first came to Siberia from either Europe or Asia. Russian colonization began in the late 16th century.